Have taken the river city and surrounding localities to high risk now for spread of the virus. If you do end up going to one of these areas for the holiday weekend, health leaders want to make sure that you're taking extra precautions. On your side at 6, Desiree Montilla explains.
As Richmond and other surrounding areas report high COVID community levels, health leaders want to make sure you keep your mask in hand. It's a protocol one Richmond restaurant tells us they're keeping in place. Since the start of the pandemic in 2020, Philly Vegan has kept their COVID protocols in place, including masks for those who come inside their Southside restaurant.
This is another precautionary method that we can use to ensure that our staff, our community, our customers, everyone is as safe as possible.
As COVID cases spike across Central Virginia, health leaders are recommending indoor masking in public spaces and transportation for areas with high COVID community levels. On this map, the CDC is reporting those high-risk areas in orange, including Richmond, Henrico, Chesterfield, and Hanover.
That metric is based off of transmission, hospitalization rates, and hospital capacity.
Transmission of the Omicron variant is behind these climbing cases. Even though health leaders say it causes less severe illness, they're still urging caution.
It can still have some implications for high hospitalizations and hospital burden.
If you live in one of these high-risk areas, health leaders recommend wearing a mask inside public spaces. Get your booster shots if you're eligible, and
we encourage folks to improve ventilation in indoor spaces.
If you plan on traveling to one of these areas for the holiday weekend,
we encourage people to safely celebrate Memorial Weekend by doing some outdoor activities.
If you have symptoms, health leaders recommend getting tested. To prepare for the potential increase in demand, Richmond Henrico is ramping up their PCR testing events.
We're going to make sure that we still have a lot of capacity, continue to monitor it, ramp it up if we need to.
Health leaders are also recommending that you keep your own supply of at-home COVID tests. You can find out more about how to get them on our website, NBC12.com. On your side in Richmond, Desiree Montilla, NBC 12 News.
State lawmakers